Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make white hot chocolate inspired by Frozen. To make this you will need 1 cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup of white chocolate, vanilla essence and blue food colouring, whipped cream, and some blue sprinkles. Start by combining all the ingredients over a low heat in a saucepan and mix it until it's smooth. Be careful not to heat the temperature too high, otherwise the chocolate will seize and you'll end up with lumpy hot chocolate, and nobody likes lumpy hot chocolate. Then add your blue food colouring once everything is melted. Then pour your blue hot chocolate into a mug. Add some whipped cream, and top with some blue sprinkles. That's it guys, it's super easy. Thanks so much for watching, until next time.